Maresca.
Rich.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
I want to say.
Yeah, madam. No way.
And now so boom, 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 boom.
That's what we do.
Green.
That's what we do.
Let me show.
That's what we do.
That's why my boys is this car.
And our friends, guys, in the 5 and sending me voice notes. And our baby T voice notes is my coma bomber. I'm excited. Say, if people can get such reaction from the work we do.
As I know goosebumps, right?
And one on rich, and one on and yeah, a 9-10 bedroom, and yeah, 20 bedroom.
This is come home.
Aye, this is a job.
Yes, we bet me the
a
bomb.
Your best chance is all there. In sharp passports.
Sure. Would they be keke?
Exactly.
Na on so far
exactly.
We are giving back to the society.
Exactly.
They bet me.
The answer rich be umpire na gusto.
Me dey menya bomba na gusto.
Green umpire onya body.
Green. Na me say so akadi akado. Me so fu na.
We are so for Nelson.
Nelson. Me. Asenberg.
Holy Spirit in for so as still now.
For super.
But Abia will be already be 50 billion years now.
Oh, it's already.
Full ministry.
Full ministry. Atia sorry.
Judy, America.
Fine.
And now, I like everything that's Benfica for me. Yeah, Rich. Bibia Ekoso Ewo Park no so at Benfica was engineered by Jose Mourinho. Which I don't think say Jose Mourinho wouldn't use that advantage that he knew he would get on the night. Which is Omo Bofi, Omo fans for her. They know clearly. Say si ebe timini Madrid abwa. We need a 12th man and we need to do more. Even if say ebe to me, you force Madrid to make mistakes. Even if it is just characteristical mistakes, be to say bia Vini buafu akoka bibini a man a red card and obino bia ko abona say sir, let us get advantage from there.
And the starting game no intention is very clear.
Yes.
Yen Madrid in term.
Yeah.
Senebia and lose on Baba game near game.
Yeah. Because by the time the game started, they had the momentum. Yeah. Almost no more chance of person. In fact, tactically, you have to give it to Jose. He knew how to set up his team. Only maybe no many problems. Rich and now, if Madrid did not have their experienced centre backs and good ball playing centre backer, a combat because they could use the experience of Antonio Rudiger and they could also use the ball playing ability of Dean Heitzen. Plus, the natural position of Camavinga as box to box and Wanda Morots the midfield. Plus, a branch of Orange Chimeni. Again, Yenim says Valverde, either on the right or central or wherever. He adds a lot of workaholic ability, baby. And then, of course, Trent Alexander-Arnold doing what he does. Which it took the almost 15 minutes inside Madrid. They started our body view. It was all Benfica. Now, sometimes Madrid, if one strength can be their weakness, and weakness can be their strength. Which by the time this goal came, so it was Vinicius Junior and Mbappe overloaded on sa left hand side of them. And Yakani several times say Vini name Mbappe Pehoko because only you now want to cut in onto their favorite foot and then score. It was Mbappe that was carrying the ball from that area, laid the ball up to Vinicius Junior, and the rest they say is history. Proper ball striking ability from Vini. And form can come down. But Rich, I've said it several times. When you speak of the best wide creators, na Ubodina, top 3, you always put Vinicius Junior.
Players are called Park and there's
Umbium created as a assistant.
And now no yeah. He's one of the best.
And you move Vini down so they say Oba. You see, there are two separate of them. The 3 no more usually call one Mohamed Salah. Mohamed Salah thrive on pace and speed.
Yaboba to space.
Space. Front 10 quick. But Vinicius Junior, apart from the pace and speed, incessant. Nyabonika incessant. No. Onyaiba. Obana wu dina temna. Oh, and no man elbow be. Oh, touch that also. No, I shall not know any who customer sanko fabo no baby him. He just doesn't stop. And that's what makes Vini superior. Rich, when the goal went in, Bonnie Bang and a Vini here. Just when the goal went in, it means that Vini had climbed up to proper Brazilian numbers in terms of the Champions League. He had usurped Ricardo Kaká with 31 goals at Champions League and Abrantia Feni Neymar with 43 goals at Champions League and Oshe between the two are Mbappe for Vinicius. Mbappe created 10 goals for him and Vinicius for Mbappe 9 goals. Both of them are thriving in that area. Rich, this is what Vini did. One fan in San Benfica flag no. One fan in San Benfica flag no. When did you be at the there is an English word called mollicado. Say, "Bia, what did you be so too much when you trim anything?" And I've seen people say that people are mollycoddling Abranti Efreno, Vinicius Junior. As a debut, Obi and Cash in Chileno, no Koye BM, near COA fans, which he didn't do anything wrong to anybody. This was Vini dancing.
Where's samba dance?
Yeah, Sakeke.
Brazilians in the
yes, and a coach now, corner flag on an osa. Then all of a sudden, the racist chants begin to come. Vini who be with fans. It is one way, maybe for the referee to want harmony in the game to go on it, or the man a yellow card, granted. But for it to degenerate into the players of the Benfica national team, that is where the big problem is. Rich.
So, Kofi Meba, before I be proceeding,
Vinicius
Junior Shegwe,
yeah,
and Wako Jono celebrity was the Brazilian samba, we know. Then the my referee best friend say Abrantia was celebration mama yellow card.
It can be over. The referee, I think, on the night wrongly judged it for over celebration. So celebration is too excessive. The fans say Michego. Na ebi arrange ona ye goalkeeper na me begina woni na me yesi as em pese me huru like wenima it can make me a reaction every word my bit man say born here born. So if it's excessive the referee can give me a yellow
card. So is it confirming?
Yeah.
The na Benfica supporters in Ekasa Abrante no.
Yeah.
As na deliberate.
Yeah.
So we begina no huru omo.
Yeah, that's what the Benfica fans are saying. Say Vini Babe Gina.
So for the referee to say look, watch the goal and so of celebrated there, but Oyama and Broso no.
Yeah.
And then of course Abrante na say a huru as the celebration or ye not been say me economic huru.
Which unim referee bit me having the points, the fans can have their points, but me situation me who baby a Vini a share that. Say because aside there are 4 corners on the football pitch.
Yeah.
And usually it's a player shot and the closest corner now.
Yeah.
And that is where he went to. And you see I've seen Emmanuel Shea Adebayo score the goal and run across the pitch and go to the other length in front of the home fans. Obi Penisa, but he went just close. Unfortunately, baby Okoye all fans now home. He danced. I've seen people say he touched the Benfica flag. He didn't touch the Benfica flag. Okoko sai.
Because I mean, you see, park in Minu Nani.
Yeah.
Referee there, I mean, we're close to
action.
Action of their course. So for the referee to say, Abrante, Sabi, maybe has so be go now because celebrity.
Yeah.
But for Lecterzier to say, we celebration, mama, yellow card.
Yeah.
Referee who be.
So
something.
You see, sometimes about actions that are being interpreted. Into referee who say maybe he went too close to them. Maybe a flag now on him. On who say you don't need to get close to this flag. You don't need to go and dance around the flag. Referee needs to interpret it.
Okay.
But I mean, in the general sense, Vini dances all the time. And for me, that's what I'm saying that Letizia judged it wrong. Say all show Vini yellow card for an over celebration on the night. Which I think where the problem began was when Prestiani said in Semokachi, people don't understand the correlation between the two. Which so Osha match Nibia. Abrana Nicolas Otamendi. Eddie Sadi we actually Vinicius Junior. Rich image way. Nicolas Otamendi and Vinicius Junior. Now people don't know. Prestiani is an Argentine. Boy now, or then I didn't cut down no can't ask me Vinicius Junior or Argentine. Rich, we all know the football rivalry between the Argentines and then of course the Brazilians. Which on the night, Vinicius Junior was being constantly whined by Otamendi, and I'm very certain say Vinicius Junior be whining and normal. I'm sure say before Nicolas Otamendi peja ne natade e de ne tattoo say oh we World Cup dia che Vini no na Vini aka che so no so age Champions League, so that is okay. But it was something that constantly you can tell that the two Argentines on the field of play wanted to go on and say, Rich, immediately Prestiani covered his mouth. Yeah, the evidence is inconclusive. And Etodebia Hana Emra Enye fair. I don't think UEFA may be able to find out and see they can read his lips and know what he said. According to Vini, on the Prestiani here, and the Prestiani can attack him monkey. Into a reaction, immediately he said the monkey. Vini ran and went straight to referee later to tell him that I can't frame a monkey. First, the mama me yellow card, but player name frame a monkey. Rich, it went on to the extent that Jose Mourinho, the red card on the bench, went to speak to Vinicius Junior consistently. And I pay mehu ubia statement or the other. Na utie UEFA official reports nyomde koya. UEFA say the official reports from the matches played last night are currently being reviewed. Where matters are reported, proceedings are opened, and should they lead to disciplinary sanctions being imposed, they are announced on the UEFA this night website. We have no further information to provide you or any further comment to make in this matter at this stage. And like I said, it looks to me that Adiabe is very inconclusive because Wakatana no Vini accounts and the Prestiani accounts are different. Benfica Ejino will play a chi, Madrid Ejino will play a chi. UEFA would have to be fair and then firm. At the end of who's offering monkey and I don't think anybody has been able to ascertain that. Now Vini after the game say racists are above all cowards. They need to put their shirts over their mouths to demonstrate how weak they are. But they have on their side the protection of others who theoretically have the obligation to punish. Nothing that had happened today was new in my life and my family's. I received a yellow card for celebrating a goal. I still don't understand why. On the other hand, I just poorly executed protocol that served on purpose. I don't like their appearing in a situation like this. Even more so after a great victory and when the headlines have to be about Real Madrid, but it's necessary.
Adomi TV, I say, Vinicius Junior, not something working.
Okay.
I say he wasn't showed the yellow card because of the celebration, but it was after the celebration, he was walking to his half. He started lifting his shoulders and showing his jersey number to the home fans. I
didn't see that.
Yeah.
No,
because some Vini na kasani statement in the class waka.
Yeah.
Say yellow card no. Yeah, the man because of the celebration.
Yeah.
I don't know. Okay.
Which
Kylian observation.
Kylian Mbappe say Benfica's number 25. I don't want to say his name because he doesn't deserve it. He puts his shirt over his mouth to say Vini is a monkey 5 times. I heard it. This player does not deserve to play in the Champions League, of course. That is what Kylian Mbappe accounted the game. Vera Beloa said if Vinicius decided to walk off, then we would have all walked off Masa Abua. We have 100% behind Vini, and we let a decision to stay on the pitch or walk off to him. Only him. They were convincing Vini. Vini got down, Jack. Oh, the young money, uncle. I'm sure they didn't want to mar the game. They wanted the game to go on. But Vini also wanted to put out an act and let them know that and of course, Trent Alexander-Arnold, everybody has put their piece on it.
Vinicius Junior name supporters. I say it's becoming one too many.
I understand.
And Abranton also on China maybe.
Yeah. And I say it, many way are going to extend, say, Rich, people are taking advantage of it.
It's becoming too much.
Yeah, and Jose Mourinho post-match, he took advantage of the fact say Vini never be say Yakoso around him for a very long time.
Yeah.
In deflection, Jose Mourinho say Vini no yen. But Rich, my dream one from Enra just say, Obe eyasa. That's a celebration. Any celebration for
Obeso, but why on Befaso Bayadi? On a month for reading meanings into Adena.
That is where I feel like Letizia felt that was over celebration. Maybe I could not say a flag and then him Sadiano because I mean football in football.
Yeah. One player, every venue Bia Rema de Begubiano. On his support is going to problem.
But Rich, for me, that is still not enough. That is still not enough. I think that say Obia or Sakana, you have no right to call him a monkey. That's if Prestiani, but
oh, Branton okay. Oh, okay. Okay.
Is a or a sharp power.
Yenim the rivalry Argentines and Brazilians. Normal.
But Akwane or sharp power.
Okay. That's smart. I'm not smart. Mammy is in a media. Actually,
it is easy, but of course, at the other night, Madrid won it and then they went away. I think, say, like you are saying, Vini would have to be careful. Yeah, be careful. I mean, just to avoid all of these things.
No.
So they be a me careful. Can manage. Which I know, I catch you say, Juventus for no more if they go to the Ali Samien. The Ali Samien is a big place. Especially on Champions League nights. It's been 12 years, Rich, since Galatasaray ever Champions League knockout competition. In 12 years. And it's been very difficult for them. Since their manager came, they have believed strongly so much in Yabo. And then I catch you say, Juventus and da. They don't go there to beat them in the Champions League, especially in the knockout. They don't get it. And first time, almost 1-1. Then the latest one before now, Didier Drogba motion 1-0. And they beat them 5-2. Me padidi agala for ne. And I like it so much that Rich Unim said Moro Icardi to bench. Leroy Sané to bench. Ikai Gundogan at the bench. He played with a team that was balanced enough. In Fifi onum Okoto Okobo Achumo Obo Abrenche friend Lucas Torreira mo Echirodom and about Davison Sanchez mo then play Noah Lang mo in between the lines then had Abrenche friend of Victor Osimhen leading the lines. Uncle what star names? Mehu Sani or Mami was Sani Mehu Gundogan or Mami Gundogan no. Not to bench. Icardi to bench. Then play the balanced team. Rich, when the game was 2 and I felt like Galatasaray would turn it around, especially at the Alisa. And they did. They did. And almost turn the game around. The Alisa and making them win the game by 5-2. Borussia Dortmund Nefi, a team friend Atalanta Wejuma, bomb 2-0. I mean a very good game. Rich, Seu Grassi and flamboyant. But wow, yeah, Juma. For an African, he is quietly building a good resume with Champions League in him. And I think it's been about 2 seasons near. Seu Grassi slowly is getting to the top. I know how she first goal no share now. Powerful header. Then set up a goal again in that game. No? And then now he was the most dominant player. Our team, your friend Dortmund team, Nico Kovac team no got a job done. Paris Saint-Germain don't want to let their cup go easily. Obetimi Jacob from when maybe this season they will not be able to win it. But they will show that they want to go on and win it. And now they turned a 2-0 game from 2-0 down to make it 3-2. Goals from our brand friend Ashraf Hakimi, Desire Doué, of course, got a job done. Now, and then quickly, Rich, Newcastle Foko Akwakoba against Qarabag. You see how difficult Qarabag were in the group phase now. And so only almost but this time, Newcastle would have to be very clinical. In fact, I think that this is a game Newcastle don't look like they will lose it. But game many was super Bodo Glimt. We took the last 2 games of Bodo Glimt about league facing. Man City and Atletico Madrid. Okay. Or she Man City or means okay. Yeah. Then end up Atletico Madrid in the final game. Esambesha Atletico Madrid the wonder. That is what they did. 2 giant slaying jobs in the last 2 games in the league phase. Now he has to come in and do that same job back to back. A 100 heading. So Bodo Bettinia a fear in Bodo and then travel to Milan to go and do the job again, and that is where the big problem is. Which Inter are probably going to be different animals, but I'm very confident that this is a game. Bodo 4 over 2.5 or 1.5 in the other. It is always going to be clear in this game. And Oshe Inter Tina Kanji Devray Bastoni Luis Enrique Sasa Susic Barella, Mkhitaryan, Carlos Augusto, Esposito, and Lautaro will make that first 11. And I think it's a game that will form an Inter double chance, and then some goals are going to come in there. Of course, Arsenal, Elba against Wolves, our English Premier League. It's a game that expects it. Arsenal, Ebeshe against Wolves. Back to the Champions League, Club Brugge, any team, my friend, Atletico de Madrid, which match Google. I don't trust any of them. Club Brugge are good when they are playing at home, but still, Atletico de Madrid on and off. You don't know the kind of Atletico Madrid that will be this week and also next week. So it's a game where I think go Ebeto. Then Bayern for Leverkusen versus Olympiacos looks like an over 1.5 to me. Was our match more rich. And the match is not so very, very, very interesting, very, very interesting. And you say, Obia best start here who team are possible to make Shiano or the quarterfinals or round of 16. Then you begin to prepare. Teams like Barcelona, Money, I don't know. You begin to prepare and then make your changes stores. Some players now, some teams now. Only on Mekwa Kushan. It's rich. I think in terms of the game analysis,
sure.
Now, you see a twice near Dikosi Bay Sunday.
No problem.
Internet, we have some quotes for one way for Michelle. And what our team already so untina me bobono. So obetino have so femme na mabobo quotes no Eddie amount. Ni na ye betway quotes. First one a BW 3D 65 B2 DA. Second one no a BW 3D 65 AAC9. Third one a BW 3D 65 9713. The fourth one a BW 3D 65 8C13. And last one a BW 3D65EF4. Which these are the codes and Emidema one way T4 has. Of course, so when to me and ya, we take a screenshot of Nhyira TV on all social media handles of Fifi Manfred. Twitter, TikTok, Facebook, wherever.
Okay.
Codes no.
I mean, green and you national be any